Chandra and the Elephants. Chandra lived with her parents in a village in India. She washed the Rajah's elephants every day. She loved the elephants, and they loved her. The villagers grew rice. Chandra's mother and father grew rice too. "I can help you," said the Rajah to the villagers. "Let me look after your rice." The villagers brought their rice to him. One year it did not rain, and the villagers did not have any food. "Can we have our rice?" they asked the Rajah. "No," said the greedy Rajah. The villagers were hungry, but Chandra did not stop working. She washed the elephants every day. But one day, the Rajah's guard said, "You can't wash the elephants today. They are very ill." Chandra was worried. "Can I talk to the Rajah, please?" she asked. The guards took her to the Rajah in his beautiful palace. In front of him was a board with black and white squares. "What do you want, little girl?" he said. "I'm Chandra. I wash your elephants," she said. "I can help them. Please, can I see them?" "Yes, you can," said the Rajah. The guards took Chandra to the elephants, and the big animals walked slowly towards her. "Oh, you are very ill," said Chandra sadly. Then she looked at their bodies. "Oh," she said, "your ears hurt. I must clean them." Chandra cleaned the elephant's ears, and after 3 days, the elephants were well again. The Rajah was very happy. "Thank you. What can I give you?" he asked. Chandra thought about the hungry villagers. "You can give me some rice," she said. "Of course. How much rice do you want?" asked the Rajah. Chandra looked at the Rajah's board. "Please, put 1 grain of rice on the first square," she said. "Then put 2 grains of rice on the second square. And put 4 grains on the third square." "I understand," said the Rajah. "We must double the number of grains on every square. Let's start." The Rajah's guards put all the rice in the palace on the board. Then the Rajah was worried. "There are 64 squares. I can't put rice on all the squares," he said. "That is too much rice. What can I do?" Chandra smiled at him. "You've got the villagers' rice," she said. "Give it back to them." Of course, said the Rajah, and he was never greedy again.